Reflecting in The Red Badge of Courage, I am deeply moved by Henry Fleming's internal struggle with fear and courage. His journey from panic to bravery reflects the human experience of confronting our vulnerability. It reminds me that true courage is not the absence of fear, but the strength to act despite it, even in the face of uncertainty. From a moral philosophical perspective, Crane's novel examines the ethics of war, bravery, and personal growth. Henry's journey reflects a moral struggle between self-preservation and honor, questioning the value of heroism and the brutal reality of war. The story suggests that courage emerges not from outward action, but from the internal reconciliation of fear, guilt, and self-awareness.